this app, this website, you can use it in order to promote your application. So in order to do that, after you sign up, you have an account. You sign up an account. You can see I have account. This is my account now. Then I already promoted my application for free, though it's not totally free, but you can just I use it to get at least up to 100 200 users. In most cases you get 200 users while you use this. So you can see your apps in Google Play. So now you can see, as you can see now, I can show you how far I've gotten users with this website. Look at my campaign. So you can see the promotion budget is 0. So you have to budget some money in order to get users. So now let me go back to the last month. So for last month you can see I budgeted $83, which the total cost of my campaign is $83, and then the clicks that I have is 836, which gave me 129 install without paying any money. So that's the main reason I'm showing my viewers this, so that you can get your application promoted with this website. And the website is just AppBrains. So when you use AppBrain will get you more installs for your application. So, and also, if you can see, you can also, let's click on this. You can see you can set a particular country which you want your mobile app to be installed from. And then when you get most of your install from US, Germany, and then which your application is monetized, you can get more money from those countries. Not like countries like Nigeria, which when you get click from Nigeria, you can't get more money. Like you can see Germany, the countries that have installed my application: Germany, Spain. We have Germany, we have Canada. I have also Spain. So actually I do set dates in order to get it done myself. I get it done myself by, okay, let me go back to, you can see the country. Okay, let's check the country reporting. Okay, you can see country reporting. The country reporting, I'll have to go back to the last 30 days because I've not used it recently. I used it in the last month. So now look at the countries. Okay, you can see I have for India I have 345 clicks, which I have 48 installs from that country, and then Germany I have 47 installs. So you can see this app is not totally free, but it's partially free. So the partial free, for the period I will be using it partially free, you get enough downloads for your mobile app, and then through that you can still make money from your monetization. And also you can earn money with this particular apps promotion site. So if you can do that, you can just monetize your app through this site. I think I was able to help with this information. So look at the account information, and also after you have submitted your application, after registering on this website, and after you've added your mobile app, you will need to add your payment option. But as I've said, it's partially free. You will be able to get at least 200 installs before you will be requested to make payment. It's just like a postpaid promotion site, which means you have to promote your site for on the long run. Then you'll be paying your dues. So I think this is okay. All right. So you can just enter www.appbrain.com. So after you've done that, then you'll be able to sign up. Thank you for watching. You can like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.